5 powerful fruits boosting kidney cleanse and how to enjoy them. The kidneys play a crucial role in detoxifying the body, removing waste, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. Maintaining optimal kidney health is essential to overall well-being, especially for individuals suffering from kidney disease. Fortunately, nature provides a variety of fruits that can help cleanse the kidneys, reduce inflammation, and promote overall renal health. In this comprehensive guide, we explore 5 powerful fruits that support kidney function and detoxification, along with delicious ways to incorporate them into your diet. 1. Watermelon, the ultimate hydration booster. Benefits for kidney health. Watermelon is composed of approximately 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. Proper hydration is critical for kidney function as it helps flush out toxins, prevent kidney stones, and reduce the burden on the kidneys. Additionally, watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects the kidneys from oxidative stress. Water content: 92% potassium, 112 mg per 100 grams, moderate level, kidney-friendly in moderation. Lycopene, powerful antioxidant. Vitamin C, supports immune function. How to enjoy watermelon. Watermelon juice, blend fresh watermelon with a dash of lemon for a refreshing detox drink. Watermelon salad, combine diced watermelon with cucumber and mint for a hydrating salad. Frozen watermelon cubes, freeze small cubes of watermelon and enjoy them as a natural snack on hot days. 2. Cranberries, the natural urinary tract cleanser. Benefits for kidney health. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney infections if left untreated. They contain proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. Cranberries also help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. Proanthocyanidins help prevent UTIs. Vitamin C supports immune function. Low potassium, safe for kidney disease patients. Natural detoxifying properties, aid in flushing toxins from the kidneys. How to enjoy cranberries. Cranberry juice, choose unsweetened cranberry juice to avoid excess sugar intake. Dried cranberries, enjoy in moderation as a snack or mix into oatmeal. Cranberry smoothie, blend with yogurt and other kidney-friendly fruits for a nutritious drink. 3. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Benefits for kidney health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Their low potassium content makes them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney disease. Anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress. Vitamin C, supports immune function. Low potassium, safe for those with kidney disease. Fiber-rich, promotes digestive health. Fresh blueberry snack, eat them raw as a simple, nutritious snack. Blueberry oatmeal, sprinkle fresh or dried blueberries onto your morning oatmeal. Blueberry smoothie, blend with almond milk and chia seeds for a healthy drink. 4. Apples, the natural detoxifier. Benefits for kidney health. Apples are a great source of fiber and have natural anti-inflammatory properties. They contain pectin, which helps lower cholesterol and reduce toxin levels in the kidneys. Their alkalizing effect can also help balance the body's pH levels, reducing the risk of kidney-related complications. Pectin supports detoxification. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system. Low sodium supports blood pressure regulation. Antioxidants reduce kidney inflammation. How to enjoy apples. Apple slices with peanut butter, a simple and delicious snack. Homemade apple sauce, make a natural, sugar-free apple sauce to pair with meals. Apple smoothie, blend with cinnamon and a touch of honey for a kidney-friendly treat. 5. Pineapple, the anti-inflammatory superfruit. Benefits for kidney health. Pineapple is a tropical fruit rich in bromelain, an enzyme known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. It helps reduce swelling, supports digestion, and has a diuretic effect, which can help flush toxins from the kidneys. Pineapple is also lower in potassium compared to other tropical fruits, making it safer for individuals with kidney disease. Bromelain, anti-inflammatory enzyme. Vitamin C enhances immune function. Low potassium, suitable for kidney disease patients. Hydrating properties, supports kidney detoxification. Fresh pineapple chunks, eat as a sweet and refreshing snack. Pineapple juice, enjoy freshly squeezed pineapple juice, without added sugar. Grilled pineapple, grill pineapple slices and drizzle with a touch of honey for a healthy dessert. Caring for your kidneys is essential for maintaining overall health, and incorporating these powerful fruits into your diet can make a significant difference. Whether you enjoy them fresh, blended into smoothies, or incorporated into creative dishes, these fruits provide hydration, antioxidants and essential nutrients that promote kidney cleansing and function. By making small dietary changes, you can take proactive steps toward better kidney health and overall well-being. Start including these fruits in your daily routine and experience their incredible benefits firsthand. Remember, every small effort you make toward a healthier diet contributes to a stronger and more vibrant life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Health is the root for more valuable health insights. Check mark bell.